What's going on, y'all? My name is Savon Springer, and I am proud to be representing the Alchemist Coin Project today and sharing with you just a glimpse as to what this team of incredible builders and developers have been working on. Now, I've been a part of the Alchemist community for quite some time now and could not be more excited to share our products with the world. Now, today we'll be talking about the Crucible. So I'll explain exactly what the Crucible is, how you can mint your very own, as well as give you a look at the Crucible NFT project, which is without a doubt one of the most innovative, creative, and useful NFT projects in all of crypto. So, what is a Crucible? Well, the Crucible, in short, is a smart contract wallet that allows you to subscribe to multiple staking rewards programs all at once instead of having to individually subscribe to the same rewards programs. Now, not only does this save you a ton on fees, but this also makes the entire process of managing various rewards positions far safer, as you can subscribe to them all at once, but you can also transfer the entire contents of your Crucible all at once as well. Now, everything from minting to managing your Crucible as well as your Crucible NFT can all be done from the Crucible website. As there are 3 different levels of Crucibles, there's the Basic, the Pro, and the Platinum level. Today I'll be showing you how to mint your very own Pro as well as Platinum Crucible. Now in future videos, we'll be sure to show you exactly how you can level up your Crucible as well as your Crucible NFT artwork, but for today, we'll start with the Pro and the Platinum. Now if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's go ahead and jump into it. To create your Crucible, you'll need to go to crucible.alchemist.wtf. Once there, you'll see this landing page. Go up top and click on Mint a Crucible. As you can see, there's a Basic, a Pro, and a Platinum. We're going to start with the Pro. So click Select, and then this dialog box comes up, which is very important. What it communicates is that half of all the fees charged to mint a Crucible go straight back to the community. This is done by the protocol buying back Mist and then depositing it into the Alchemist Rewards program so that Crucible holders can earn even more. The second benefit is this puts constant buy pressure on the Mist token itself, further improving its tokenomics. Let's go ahead, click Mint a Crucible. It's going to pull up MetaMask. Go ahead and confirm that transaction. It's going to do its pending thing for a little bit. And then you'll see that your Crucible is ready. Now, I would recommend that you add your Crucible to MetaMask, but you don't have to. Either way, you can click on Manage Your Crucible or close out the dialog box and then click on Your Crucibles. Now, once there, to view your artwork, go ahead and click on View. And then click on the specific Crucible that you want to view. And then it's going to render for a second because there's a lot going on here. But once the rendering is done, just click. And then you can fully interact with your Crucible. Now, what you can do, you can open it up, you can spin it around, and you can really get in there and check out all the details, check out the nuances, check out the craftsmanship that goes into this Crucible. Now, keep in mind, this is fully 3D, fully interactive, and this is absolutely unique to your one-of-a-kind Crucible. There's no other Crucible like this. So let's create your Platinum Crucible. So click on Mint a Crucible and then select underneath Platinum. Now before you do this, you're going to need to provide Mist ETH LP tokens. For that, you're going to need Mist and ETH. So if you don't have one of those two or you need more, I'd recommend you go to the bottom and then click on this Mist X DEX, which is a DEX created by the Alchemist team. And long story short, what this is going to do is protect you from front running and MEV, or maximum extractable value. And what that's going to do is ensure that you get the best, most transparent price on your Mist tokens, your ETH, or any other tokens that you acquire using this DEX. Now, once you have that, we can go ahead back to the Crucible itself. And now what we can do is click this out arrow, which is going to take us to Uniswap. Now, once we're on Uniswap, put in the amount of Mist you want to provide, and it's automatically going to show you how much ETH you'll need to provide, and then approve. and it'll pull up MetaMask and then go ahead and confirm that transaction. And then once that's done, you'll actually be able to supply this liquidity. So click supply and then confirm the MetaMask transaction. Then it'll take a little second like it always does, pending. And then once you're good, you can close that and we can actually head back to where we were. And now input the amount of LP tokens you want to provide as you mint this Crucible. And then what you're likely going to need to do is approve 2 different transactions, because technically you have to approve MIST and ETH. So go ahead, do both of those. And now it'll start to say pending. Boom, your Crucible is ready. So same as last time, I would recommend that you add this to your MetaMask, but you don't have to. So then we click on your Crucibles. And then we can click on the newly minted Crucible. And now we see a summary. But what we actually want to do is check out the rewards tab. And when you click there, it's going to show you all the different rewards programs that you were automatically subscribed to. So you didn't need to do any other transactions. You're automatically subscribed to these different rewards programs. To view the art, we'll click on view once again. And then it'll render for a second. And then boom, once again, your fully 3D, fully interactive Crucible NFT artwork. And as I said, I'd recommend that you really inspect this and spend some time with it so you can really familiarize yourself with the details and the nuances that have gone into your unique Crucible. And just like all other NFTs, this Crucible has unique traits with varying degrees of rarity. So you might really have to get in there to find some of these Easter eggs and some of these rare traits. And that's your Crucible artwork. Enjoy. That's it. Now there are so many details and intricacies that go into the artwork and the Crucible NFT itself, but we'll have to save all of that for another video on another day. Now, to be sure you don't miss that video, make sure you're subscribed to this channel, as well as tick the notification bell so that you're notified whenever we drop that video, as well as any other announcement from the Alchemist team. Until then, my name is Savon Springer, representing the Alchemist Coin Project, and I'll talk to y'all real soon. Peace and blessings.